got my spray bottle. It's got, well, it keeps doing it. Okay, check it one more time, sister. If you hear that snapping or crackling sound in the background, it's my mama. She cooking in the kitchen. Hey guys, it's Miree. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing another natural hair video. I haven't done one of these in forever. Today we're going to be trying hair paints wax. I was thinking about dyeing my hair, but I was like, instead of dyeing my hair, how about I just get the wax and call it a day. Y'all are going to see me go through the whole entire process, detangling my hair, setting my hair, separating my hair, all that good stuff. We're about to start detangling my hair because sis looking bummy. I went to school like this today, and I went to school like this all week last week. Your girl was struggling. I got my spray bottle. It has water, the Aussie Mega Moist Daily Defense Coconut Oil Conditioner. Separate my hair and do my hair. Okay, we're done washing my hair, conditioned, deconditioned everything. Now it's time to get to the moisturizing and twisting and using the wax. So see you guys when my hair is dry. My hair has been drying for the past 10 minutes. I'm gonna look wild, I'm warning you. And hold up, wait a minute, I'm scared. It's already a twist poking now. Hold up, I look wild. Let me separate my hair. Two sections. I need to moisturize this crap. I'm gonna show y'all what products I use, and then I'm gonna have it in time lapse and speed up, and I'm gonna just have some nice music over here so y'all can watch and enjoy the music while I'm doing my hair. I got 3 parts. I got some new product, and these right here They smell so good. This one smells so good, so I might be using this one on my head, the blue one. A spray leave-in, a regular leave-in conditioner. I use an oil. I use Jamaican black castor oil to put into my scalp. I use shea butter on top to seal everything in. So I'm done moisturizing. I had to stop because my camera died. So I'm gonna take my hair down. She's moisturized. She smells good. That other stuff, that stuff that I just used was working, and it smells nice. It doesn't smell bad or anything like that. So I need to separate my hair, take my hair down. Now it's time to get the wax. Hold up. I'm scared. Hold up. Hold up. Oh. Ah! I get too excited. I need to. Okay. It doesn't feel. I don't know. We'll see. We'll put this on my hair. I'm gonna put my hair up. My hair go up? Thanks. I need something to twist my hair up with, so I'm gonna use the Cabela Rose Almond Joy butter. I'm gonna wet my hair. Get the wax. Okay, I got it. Disappointed. Wait, I'm gonna just twist my hair up and call it a day. My shirt's about to get so dirty. I went ahead and I did the back part. This is messy. Look at my hands. Look at my shirt, bro. Look at my shirt. Look at my back. Look at my back. It's blue. It's messy everywhere. Tired, I'm about to go to sleep. I'm about to put a plastic cap on. I'm a little damp in the morning. I'm not gonna take it off in the morning. I'm gonna wait a couple days, or I might wait till Wednesday or let it air dry throughout the week, and then I'm gonna take it out and I'll come back. But I'll probably get it to the dryer. So yeah, I'll see y'all in a couple days. So as you saw in the last couple of clips, I took my hair down, but I kind of filmed it on my phone because I was in a rush that morning. So this is what my hair looks like right now. It's shrunken. It's really small. I thought it would be lighter than this on my head. Like, it rubs off, but I'm fluffing it with my hands and stuff. It rubs off on my hands, and it's not, it rubs off. Like I went through my school day, it rubbed off on my backpack, and I think it's kind of sort of on my neck a little bit too. So that's that. It rubs off, but not as bad as it normally is at first. Well, I give it an 8 out of 10. I like it. It's nice. It's cute. I kind of want to get more colors too. Oh wow, that was on my hair this whole time. But yeah, this is the end of this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more natural hair videos, for more vlogs, different types of things, and comment down below any other videos that you want to see from me. Go down in the description box and check out my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.